leaving the noise.
Wait, hold on, Mark. Do not open the door yet. I just need to send one more email. It is very urgent. My boss sent me a message 5 minutes ago.
Sarah, we are parked. The engine is off. Look out the window. Do you see the trees? We are not at the office anymore.
I know. I see the trees. They are very green. But this email is critical. If I do not reply, the marketing team will be confused on Monday. Just give me 2 minutes, please.
You said just 2 minutes when we were at the gas station. That was 30 minutes ago. Come on, Sarah, put the phone down. Open the door. Let the fresh air come in.
Okay, fine. I am hitting send now. Done. Okay. Phew. I feel so stressed. My heart is beating very fast. I cannot stop thinking about the presentation for next week.
That is exactly why we are here, to stop thinking about next week. We need to think about right now. Let's get out of the car.
All right, I am getting out. Oh, wow. It is colder here than in the city. I should have brought my thicker jacket.
Here, take my extra scarf. It's in the back seat. The air is crisp, but it's good for you. It'll wake you up.
Thanks. This scarf is warm. Okay, where are my hiking boots? I threw them in the trunk. Can you open the trunk, please?
Sure. Let me grab our backpacks first. Here are your boots. They look a bit dusty. When was the last time you wore them?
Oh, I think it was 3 years ago. Maybe 4? I'm always too busy on weekends to go hiking. Do you think they will still fit me?
Feet do not change size very much, Sarah. Try them on. Take off those city sneakers. They are not good for the dirt paths.
You're right. These sneakers have no grip. Okay, let me sit on the edge of the trunk to change my shoes. Wow, these laces are stiff.
Take your time. There's no rush. We have the whole afternoon. Listen to that sound while you tie your laces.
What sound? I do not hear anything. Is there a car coming?
Exactly. You do not hear anything. No cars, no sirens, no construction noise, just the wind in the leaves. Close your eyes for 10 seconds while you tie that left shoe.
Okay, closing my eyes. It's weird. It feels empty. Usually, there's always background noise in my apartment. Even the refrigerator makes a loud humming noise.
Here, the background noise is nature. How do the boots feel? Are they too tight?
They feel heavy, very heavy. My feet feel like they are in blocks of cement, but they are sturdy. I feel like I can step on rocks and not hurt my ankles.
That's good. We'll need that support. The trail is a bit rough at the beginning. Now, stand up and stomp your feet on the ground. Get a feel for the earth.
Okay, stomp, stomp. Yeah, that feels solid. Okay, I have my water bottle. I have my sunglasses. I'm ready. Let me just put my phone in my pocket.
Sarah, wait. Leave the phone in the car.
What? No. What if there's an emergency? What if we get lost? What if I want to take a picture?
I have my phone in my backpack for emergencies. And for pictures, use your eyes today. Capture the memory in your mind. If you have your phone in your pocket, you will feel it vibrate. You will check it.
But I feel naked without it. It's like leaving a part of my brain behind.
That is the goal. Leave that part of your brain in the glove compartment. Trust me, you need a digital detox just for 2 hours.
Ugh, you're so strict. Okay, fine. I am locking it in the glove box. Goodbye, phone. Goodbye, internet. I hope I survive.
You will survive. You might even enjoy it. Okay, is the car locked?
Yes, I pressed the button. The car is locked. My phone is inside. I am standing here in heavy boots. I am ready.
Do you smell that?
Smell what? It smells like damp earth and maybe pine needles?
Yes, pine and wet soil. Take a deep breath through your nose. Fill your lungs.
Okay. Inhales deeply. It smells very clean. It smells different from the exhaust fumes I breathe every morning on the bus.
Let that clean air clean out your stress. Okay, the trail starts right over there by that large wooden sign. Are you ready to walk away from the noise?
I think so. My legs feel a bit tired already, and we haven't even started. But let's go. Lead the way, brother.
The steep path and breathing.
Mark, please slow down. My legs are burning. I need to stop.
Okay, Sarah, let's stop right here. We do not need to race. Look, there's a large flat rock next to the path. Why don't you sit down?
Oh, thank you. That rock looks like the best chair in the world right now. Phew, this hill is much steeper than it looks from the bottom.
It is a bit challenging. We are gaining elevation quickly. Put your water bottle on the ground. You don't need to hold it.
My heart is beating so fast. I can feel it in my throat. Is that normal? I feel like I just ran for a bus.
It is completely normal. It's good exercise. Put your hand on your chest. Feel the rhythm. Is it a panic heartbeat or a working heartbeat?
Let me feel. It is fast, but steady. It feels strong. It is not like the panic I feel when my alarm clock rings on Monday morning.
Exactly. Your body is working hard. It's waking up. Now, I want to show you a breathing technique. It will help you climb the rest of the hill without getting so tired.
Is it difficult? My brain is too tired for difficult things right now.
It is very simple. It is called box breathing. We will do it together. Sit up straight on the rock. Do not slouch.
Okay, my back is straight. My hands are on my knees. I am ready.
We will inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and wait for 4 seconds. Like a box. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed. I am listening to your voice.
Okay, breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Deep inhale sound.
Hold the air inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale through your mouth slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Long exhale sound.
Wait with empty lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Inhale deeply. Feel your stomach expand, not your shoulders.
I am trying. It is hard to relax my stomach.
Imagine the air is filling a balloon in your belly. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that felt better. I felt the air go deep down.
Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you exhale, imagine you are blowing out gray smoke. Imagine all the city pollution leaving your body.
That is a good image. Exhaling, blowing out the gray smoke. Gone.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you feel now?
I feel lighter. My head feels a bit clearer. The dizzy feeling is gone.
And notice the air quality here. Keep your eyes closed for a moment. Just smell the air again.
It is so different from the city. In the city, the air feels heavy. Sometimes it smells like gasoline or hot asphalt. Here, the air feels thin and cold.
This is clean oxygen. The trees around us are making it right now. We are breathing in what the trees breathe out.
That is a nice thought. We're sharing breath with the forest. It makes me feel connected to the trees.
Do you hear your breathing now? It is quieter than before.
Yes, my heart is slowed down too. I'm not panting anymore. That box breathing really works.
You can use that technique anywhere, even at your desk at work when you get a stressful email.
I will try to remember that, but it's easier to do it here with the wind on my face. Speaking of wind, I'm getting a little chilly sitting still.
That means it's time to move again. The body cools down fast when you stop moving. Are you ready to stand up?
I think so. Let me grab my water bottle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up. Whew, my legs are a bit stiff.
Shake your legs out. Kick the air gently.
Okay, shaking the left leg, shaking the right leg. I feel ready. Is the path still this steep?
Just for another 10 minutes, then we reach a clearing. It's flat there, and there's a beautiful view. We can see the whole valley.
A flat path sounds wonderful. Let's go find that view. I'll try to keep my breathing slow and deep.
Lead the way, Sarah. Keep that rhythm. Step, step, breathe. Step, step, breathe. The sunlight and bird song.
Oh, wow, Mark, look. The trees stopped. It is so bright here.
Welcome to the clearing, Sarah. We made it to the top. Step out onto the grass.
Ah, the sunlight is blinding. I need to put my sunglasses back on. Wait, no. I want to feel the sun on my face. It feels so warm.
It feels good, right? The air is cold, but the sun is hot. It is a perfect balance. Let's sit down here on this dry patch of grass.
Okay. Ah, sitting down feels wonderful. My legs are very happy to stop moving. The grass is soft.
Lie back if you want to. Look up at the sky. What do you see?
I see blue. Just blue. There is not a single cloud. It is like a giant blue ocean above us.
Now, close your eyes again. I want you to focus on your hearing, not your breathing this time. Focus on the world outside.
Okay, eyes closed. I am listening.
Tell me the first sound you hear, the loudest one.
I hear the wind. It is blowing through the trees behind us. It sounds like ocean waves crashing on a beach. Whoosh.
Good. Now try to listen past the wind. Listen for something smaller, something sharper.
I am trying. It is hard because the wind is loud. Oh, I hear it. A chirping sound to my left.
Yes, that is a bird. Keep listening. Is there only one bird?
No. Wait, I hear another one. It is on the right side. It has a different voice. The first one is going tweet, tweet, but this one is deeper. It is more like caw, caw.
Exactly. You are hearing a conversation between two different species. Usually in the city, we tune these sounds out. We treat them like background noise. But here, they are the main event.
It is funny. If I was in the office, I would be annoyed by noise. But this noise, it makes me feel calm. Why is that?
Because it's natural noise. It does not demand your attention. It just exists. You can choose to listen to it or not.
Hello there. Beautiful day for it, isn't it?
Oh, hello. You surprised me. I had my eyes closed.
Hi there. Yes, we really got lucky with the weather today. The forecast said it might rain. I know, right? I almost stayed home, but I am glad I came out. The view of the valley is crystal clear today. Have you seen the lake down there?
No, I haven't looked over the edge yet. Is there a lake?
Yes, just stand up and walk to that big rock near the cliff. You can see the reflection of the mountains in the water. It is stunning. Thanks for the tip. We will definitely check it out before we head back down. Enjoy the view. I'm heading up to the next peak. Have a safe hike.
You too. Bye.
See, even the people are nicer here. In the city, strangers do not say hello to each other.
That is true. If someone spoke to me on the subway, I would be suspicious. But here, it felt friendly. Okay, help me up. I want to see this lake.
Here's my hand. Up you go. Okay, walk slowly to the edge. Don't get too close. Wow, look at that water. It is so still. It looks like a mirror. I can see the clouds. Oh wait, there are no clouds. I could see the blue sky in the water. It puts things in perspective, doesn't it? The city feels very small and far away from up here.
It does. I can't even see the city. I can't see my office building. I can't see the traffic. It feels like that world doesn't exist.
For this afternoon, it doesn't exist. It's just you, me, the birds, and that lake.
Mark, I just realized something.
What did you realize?
I haven't touched my pocket to check for my phone in the last 20 minutes. I completely forgot about it.
That is the best news I have heard all day. Your brain is finally disconnecting.
It feels free. I feel free.
Hold on to that feeling. Store it in your memory. Let's sit here for 5 more minutes and just watch the water. Then we can start heading back.
5 minutes sounds perfect. I just want to watch the sunlight dancing on the water. Going down is definitely easier on the lungs. I can breathe easily now. But my knees, they are complaining a little bit.
It is a different kind of effort. When you go up, you use your muscles to lift. When you go down, you use your muscles to brake. Try to keep your knees soft. Do not lock them.
Okay, soft knees. I am trying. It feels like gravity is pulling me down the hill. I have to be careful not to run.
Just take it slow. Look at the light, Sarah.
It changed while we were at the lake.
You're right. It's not white anymore. It's golden. The shadows of the trees are getting very long. It looks beautiful.
This is the golden hour. Photographers love this time of day. Everything looks softer.
It feels softer too. You know, Mark, I'm thinking about myself from 2 hours ago, the Sarah in the parking lot.
The Sarah who was panic typing on her phone?
Yes, her. She seems like a stranger now. I cannot believe I was so angry about a simple email. It feels so small now. The trees are huge, and my email is tiny.
That is the power of perspective. Nature reminds you of what's actually big and what's actually small.
I feel embarrassed that I made you wait in the car. I'm sorry about that.
Do not apologize. It happens to everyone. The city trains us to be in a hurry. It takes time to slow down.
Well, I am definitely slow now. I feel tired, but it's a good tired. It's not stress tired. My body feels used, but my mind feels rested.
That is the best feeling. You will sleep very well tonight.
Oh, I will sleep like a baby. But first, I'm realizing something else.
Let me guess. You are hungry.
I am starving. My stomach is making more noise than the birds. What should we eat on the way home?
We can stop at that diner near the highway. They make really good vegetable soup and fresh bread.
Hot soup sounds perfect, simple and warm. I don't want anything fancy, just good food.
Look, I see the parking lot through the trees. We're almost back.
Already? The walk down was so fast. I feel a little sad that it's over.
It doesn't have to be over. We can bring this feeling home with us.
How do we do that?
When you get stressed tomorrow, just close your eyes for 10 seconds. Remember the blue lake. Remember the sound of the wind. Do the box breathing.
I will try. And I want to do this again. Can we come back?
Of course, the mountain is not going anywhere.
No, I mean soon, not in 3 years. Can we come back next Sunday?
Next Sunday works for me. We can try a different trail, maybe the one that goes to the waterfall.
A waterfall? Yes. Put it on the calendar. Okay, we are at the car.
Here are the keys. Unlock the doors.
Beep, beep. The doors are open. I'm sitting down. Oh, these seats feel so soft now.
And now, the moment of truth. Open the glove compartment.
Right. The phone. The jail cell.
Take it out.
Okay, I have it in my hand. It feels cold. The screen is black.
Do you want to turn it on?
Honestly, no. I know I have notifications. I know people messaged me, but I don't want to break this peace yet.
So don't. Keep it in your pocket until we finish dinner.
That's a great idea. I'll turn it on after the soup. For now, I just want to watch the sunset out the window while you drive.
Deal. Let's go get that soup. Great hike, sis.
Great hike, Mark. Thank you for dragging me out here. I really needed it.
Anytime. Buckle up. Let's go home.